Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 14, 2025, just 2 days ago. The standout contribution is a first large-scale analysis of Reddit's AI companion community that maps 6 core conversation themes and shows relationships often arise unintentionally, with many users reporting reduced loneliness and always available support. The paper is titled, "My Boyfriend is AI, a computational analysis of human-AI companionship in Reddit's AI community." And the implications for social design and safety are quite significant. The study analyzes 1,506 top posts, highlights therapeutic benefits alongside risks like emotional dependency, and calls for continuity-preserving, harm reduction-oriented designs. On X, reactions split between praise for timely insights and questions about missing companionship use in other datasets, with one post noting risks from platform updates. One tweet shows strong engagement at 13,000 likes. Alright, the previous segment highlighted the 6 themes and their psychosocial stakes. Figure 1 presents the unsupervised semantic clustering that organizes the community's posts into those 6 color-coded groups, which demonstrates clear boundaries and dense neighborhoods where conversations concentrate. The clusters include dating and romance, community bonding, partner introductions, coping with model updates and loss, ChatGPT relationship discussions, and human-AI couple photos. The scatter layout matters because proximity signals similar language patterns, so tight patches suggest recurring narratives and shared practices. So, the previous figure mapped the 6 conversation clusters. Figure 2 shows the end-to-end methodology that connects the dataset, the exploratory qualitative analysis, and the quantitative classifiers. The pipeline starts with 1,506 top Reddit posts, moves through unsupervised clustering with large language model sense-making to surface 6 themes, and then applies 19 custom classifiers to quantify patterns. The right side summarizes classifier outputs like platforms mentioned and reported harms, which turn the themes into measurable rates. Alright, the previous figure outlined the pipeline from clustering to classifiers. Figure 7 shows 4 bars charts that quantify pathways, motivations, benefits, and social dynamics in the subreddit, so it ties narratives to measured rates. Discovery often came from cross-references and searches, while joining centered on finding community and sharing success stories. Reported benefits concentrate on normalization and practical advice, with emotional support close behind. Social dynamics feature strong validation seeking and peer assistance, which indicates an active caregiving culture amid external stigma. So the previous figure quantified subreddit dynamics. Figure 8 shows 3 bars charts that break down how relationships start, what needs get met, and what benefits people report. Unintentional entry dominates because productivity use, entertainment, and curiosity lead into companionship without prior intent. The needs skew toward romantic companionship and fun, with emotional support in the mix. Reported benefits concentrate on reduced loneliness and always available support, followed by a safe space to express feelings and improved mental health. So the previous figure detailed needs and benefits. Figure 9 presents 8 bars charts that profile platforms, relationship traits, and engagement patterns, which gives a concrete sense of how companionship plays out day to day. ChatGPT and OpenAI dominate platform mentions, while specialized apps remain small. Most users describe caring, supportive personalities, and report moderate to high suspension of disbelief. Long-term users form the largest group, and single platform use is common, so continuity and stability clearly matter for these relationships. Okay, 2 takeaways stand out. Intimate human and AI bonds often arise unintentionally through everyday use, and many users report real psychosocial benefits alongside concentrated risks like emotional dependency and grief from model changes. The broader implication is design and policy should emphasize continuity, safeguards, and harm reduction over blanket bans. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.